Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Tom from TTT Tom's Tech Time, today with an interactive episode. You can now take your mouse and move all around. It's a 360 degrees video. By the way, all product links can be found in the description below and on tomstechtime.com/gadgets. And now I'm going to attach you guys to a Mavic 2 Zoom drone. And I will take off and we will enjoy a very special flight. And now, don't forget to move around with the mouse and enjoy this very special flight. Isn't the view fantastic? Attaching a 360 degrees camera to a drone is really a cool new possibility of experiencing the flight. And the drone is still quite stable, even though maybe a bigger GoPro 360 I would not install. I recommend using the Insta360 One X camera. That camera delivers 5.7K footage, and at the very same time it still is lightweight, which is really quite important. And you can really see it's so cool when you look at the drone's body itself in flight. It looks very special. If you want to buy one of these cameras plus an attachment for your drone, and by the way there are several, you cannot only attach it from this one position but from different positions. If you want to buy that, then check out tomstechtime.com/gadgets. Now let's get a bit closer to the ground. When you now rotate on your screen, and you might see me, I'm at the moment positioned behind the drone and I'm walking closer towards it. Au revoir, I'm sending you now straight into the forest. I want to say, by the way, you can rotate. I don't know what you're at the moment looking at, but I am talking to you and I'm standing right in front of the camera. I'm going to say bye-bye. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below the video. Don't forget to check out tomstechtime.com/gadgets. And right now I'm just going to go back to my car and I'm going to send you guys up there, enjoy the last few shots, and maybe get one of these fancy 360 degrees cameras yourself. Stay tuned and fly safe. I forgot to say that.